Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy SUI services tokens. Now SUI services is a token on the SUI network, and SUI network during this bull run is doing a pretty decent job, and I personally feel that it should overtake Solana during the next bull run. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now, these NS tokens were airdropped to Suinem domain holders, and at the time of making this video, is sitting around 85 million US dollar market cap with a circulating supply of 150 million NS tokens, and the maximum supply is around 500 million NS tokens. So the supply is pretty limited, and as you can see, the 24-hour volume is around 124 million US dollars. Now, in order to buy Suinem services, you can buy it on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. So if you want to buy Suinem services, you can buy it on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can use my sign up referral link in the description, which will give you 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. And also, Mexc Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So as you can see, the buying fee is 0%, and the taker fee, which is the selling fee, is anywhere between 0.01% to 0.02%, depending on the type of trade, whether it is spot or futures. Now, once you create an account on Mexc Global, you can either buy USDT directly on Mexc Global if your country allows it. If not, then you can transfer it from some other centralized exchange or from some other crypto wallet. Now, once you're here on Mexc Global, simply go ahead and search for NS to USDT pair. So as you can see, I've already searched and clicked on it. Now go a bit down. Now there are two types of order. One is a market order and one is a limit order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy the NS tokens at the current market price. Simply put in the amount of USDT and click on buy. Limit order meaning, let's say if you feel that the price of this NS tokens will fall to 0.3. So simply put in 0.3 over here, put in the amount of USDT and click on buy. Now this order would be showing in the open orders over here. And as soon as the price of NS token falls to 0.3, then your order would be executed, and then you would be getting the Suinem services tokens in your Mexc Global spot account. So this was with regards to the centralized exchange. Now, if you don't want to use a centralized exchange, you can also buy it on a decentralized exchange. For this, you will need to have a SUI wallet. So in this case, I have already connected my SUI wallet, which is this one. There are a lot of SUI wallet options which are available, like there is SUI wallet, then there is Surf wallet. Then if you are using your wallet also on the Aptos network, you can opt for Martian wallet as well. And I'm pretty much comfortable with SUI wallet, so I've gone ahead and connected this. So simply head to Turbos Finance, connect your SUI wallet, and over here you can swap SUI for NS. So let's say if I want to go ahead and swap 0.2 SUI for NS, it will calculate the best exchange rate. And as you can see, as per the current exchange rate, I will be getting close to 1.1 NS tokens. Now, once I click on trade, the trade would be executed within 5 to 10 seconds, and then this NS tokens would be reflected in your SUI wallet. Now, you can also buy this on Cetus and other protocols on the SUI network. But for a video purpose, we'll be only taking the example of Turbos Finance. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy Suinem services, coins and tokens. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.